Alright guys, you guys already know what's up. New day, day 4. I'm just gonna get to it. Not much talking gonna go down on this video. I'm just gonna try to get the engine started. I'm tired of waiting. So, from my knowledge, it takes 2.5 quarts of transmission fluid, so we're just gonna try and pump that in here. Alright, so slight problem. If you look at the shift knob, this is out of gear, and then this is in gear. So, you gotta look for a solution for that. This is the one we've all been waiting for, which is the startup. I'm gonna put the tires on, I'm gonna torque everything down. I already know what the problem is with the shift linkage is I don't have a B pin. So close, but I forgot we need to install all the hosing for the cooling, so I'll do that real quick. Bro, it fucking started. I don't understand what I did. I literally unplugged the battery, took it out for a little bit, thought about going to AutoZone, and then just said, let's try it one more time. Holy shit. Holy shit. Bro, what the fuck? I can't believe it started, bro. I was starting to lose hope so bad. Bro, I don't understand. I literally just took it out and put it back in. It sounds so nice. Holy shit, dude. Bro, I still don't believe it. I was able to fix this whole car. Holy shit. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button so you can watch me daily drive this car. Holy shit, this thing is fucking insane. I can't believe I actually did it. Wow, I really can't believe I actually started. This car actually started. Make sure you guys are subscribed to watch what I do to this car in the future. Peace out.